Rising unemployment has become a serious problem across the world. While the educated, unemployed youth are struggling to get government jobs, few youngsters are creating jobs not only for themselves but also for others without wasting time. One such example is from South Kashmir's Ghazi Gund area of Anantnag district. A resident of Nusu area in Ghazi Gund, Bilal Ahmed Khan has set an example by turning a small pond into a unique fish farm. 40-year-old Khan completed his post-graduation in 2007 and after struggling to find a job, he started this fish farm with the help of his wife and 2 daughters.
मैंने ये फार्म 2007 में शुरू किया है, फिशरीज का फार्म.
I started this fish farm in 2007. I did my MA but was unemployed because I couldn't find a job. There is plenty of water in our area that comes from nearby springs, and I took advantage of the water to build a fish farm here. We raise common carp, grass carp and silver carp. This fish is very good for health and is very nutritious. Eating this fish relieves joint pain. The locals take fish from here and it became a job for us.
इसमें ये जोड़ों का दर्द जो होता है इससे वो दूर होता है. तो यहाँ के इलाके के लोग सब यहाँ से मछलियाँ लेते हैं और ये हमारे लिए थोड़ा सा रोजगार बन गया.
This unique farm is no longer limited to just being a fish farm but has turned into a recreational area for people. A large number of people from the adjoining area, especially children, come here to see the fish farm.
हमने इसमें कलकत्ता से ये पैडल बोट्स मंगवाई. तो
we have ordered paddle boats from Kolkata so that people can do boating here. As it is a mountainous area, boating is not possible here. Boating is available in the Srinagar, but most of the children here cannot go to Srinagar. Things are not going well here either. So, we decided to have a boating facility here. The local kids do boating and swimming here, which they enjoy and we have a job too.
बोटिंग भी चलेगी. यहाँ लोकल बच्चे आते हैं, यहाँ पर बोटिंग करते हैं, स्विमिंग करते हैं और हमारा भी थोड़ा रोजगार बनता है.
हम यहाँ बहुत एंजॉय कर रहे हैं.
We are enjoying here. This is a great place. Everyone should come here.
The place is now not only known for being a fish farm but also a place for recreation for the locals. People come here not only to buy fish but also bring their children and families to enjoy swimming and boating. The children also love to see different kinds of fish swimming in the pond.
2007 से मेरे
My father has been running this fish farm since 2007. We want the government to support us so that we can provide employment through this farm. If it becomes a place of recreation, it will help reduce unemployment.
To entertain people, Khan has also thrown open his apple orchard for visitors where people come and enjoy the sight. Khan wants to open an amusement park at the same place and a cafeteria also in the future.
काम में अपनी फैमिली है, मेरे बच्चे हैं.
My family helps me with this work. Sometimes when we have to get the fish out of here in September or October, we need laborers for the work. They also get employment. If we want, many people can get jobs. We are planning to set up swings here. We are trying to make it a complete tourist place by installing all the facilities here.
Khan and his family appealed to the government to help them in promoting this place as a tourist spot in Jammu and Kashmir, which has a good potential. Bureau Report, ETV Bharat.
To watch 24/7 News Live, download ETV Bharat app.